Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize an Woocommerce checkout page and create an highly optimized checkout experience for your users, just like what you see over here, that too for free. Here on the right hand side we have some testimonials. On the left hand side we have minimalistic checkout fields. This type of checkout page is highly optimized for selling digital products and online courses. You would generally see this type of checkout pages with specialized cart softwares like Thrivecart, Samcart, but now you can create this type of checkout pages with Woocommerce for free. Hi, this is Anand from designtheway.com. Excited to learn? Let's get right into it. To save some time, I'm going to use the pre-existing setup that I used for my another tutorial where I showed how to create a complete e-commerce website for free. If you haven't watched the video, please go and watch it. Link is in the I button and in the description below. Now to edit the checkout page, we technically do not need any plugin. If you can edit the functions.php file of your WordPress theme, you can achieve the results. But if you don't want to mess with the functions.php file, which can be risky if you do not know what you are doing, this can break the theme. So for that, I will use a plugin which will help us add custom PHP codes easily. Let's go to plugin, click on add new, and we'll search for code snippet. This is the plugin we are going to use. So click on install now and click on activate. Don't worry about the list of these plugins over here because I'm using the setup from a previous tutorial. These were used in that tutorial. Now to make our checkout page even more customizable and optimized, we need two more plugins. These are additional and optional. If you don't want to be highly customized, you can just simply use these code snippets and that will do it for you. But I'm going to use a couple more plugins. First is Elementor, which is already installed. Next, I will use another plugin called Cart Flows. This is the plugin we are going to use. So let's click on install now. Click on activate. Just click on skip setup. Now with Cart Flows, you can create highly optimized sales funnels in WordPress with Woocommerce. Now let's go to Cart Flows and click on flows. We need to add a flow. So let's click on add new. Now you'll find some ready-made templates. Some are free and most of them are with the pro version. So let's scroll down. I will use this inline checkout. Let's click on import. Now the flows are imported. It has just two steps: checkout and thank you page. So let me add a name to this first. I will name it as ebook checkout. Scroll down and click on update. Now let's click on edit. Let's close this. Let's scroll down. Now first we need to choose the product for which we'll use this checkout. In Cart Flows, you can create global checkout pages and checkout pages for individual product or group of products. To keep things simple, I'm going to choose a product over here, for which I will use this checkout page. For this tutorial, I've already created a digital product. Let's click over here. This is the product, ebook. Now let's click on update. Now let's click edit with Elementor. Now this is how the checkout page looks right now. Let's click over here. Let's click on apply. This is how it looks right now. Now first let me show you the product that I've added over here. What are the settings of that? Woocommerce. Let's go to product, click on all products. Let's click on edit. I'm not going to show you how to create the products and everything because I've already covered that in my previous video. The link is in the description below. Scroll down. This is the product details. It's virtual product and it's a downloadable product. I've linked the product file over here and the price $9.99. Let's close this. Now the reason why I'm using Elementor and cart flows because I want to have full control over my checkout page. Let's scroll up. First of all, let's edit this page to make it a minimalistic page. I don't want all these things over here. Let's remove this. Simply no. Okay, come over here. I will add an intersection over here and keep the structure to this, to this one, and let's drag it this over here. Scroll down and let's remove this. On the right hand side, first of all I would add an image over here. Let's use this image. Let's align it to left. Let's add a title over here. Let's add a rating. Let's add again. Let's add some text. Let's add another title. Let's adjust the spacing a bit. Let's add a divider over here. Let's go to style. Let's the color to this, maybe a little darker. This looks good. I will simply copy this. Now let's select the column. Let's go to style, border. Set the border to 1, border left 1 pixel. Let's select this color again. Now we need to adjust some spacing over here. Let's select this. Let's add a 20 pixel. Okay. Let's select this one. Let's change the padding to 25 top, 60 right, 25 bottom, 60 left. And for margin top, I will set it to minus 100 pixel. Now let's select this one. Let's set the top 10 pixel. On the right hand side 60 pixel and bottom 10 pixel. And now for this column, let's go to advanced. Let's set the margin left, padding left to 60 pixel and top to 20, bottom to 20. This looks good. Let's select this container. Now let's select this section. Let's set the width to 980 pixel. Let's advance. Let's set the margin bottom to 100 pixel. So basic settings of the page is done. Let's click on update. Now, as I said earlier, for a digital product or an online course, we don't want this many fields over here. We primarily need name and email, and that should be enough. Now to edit this form, we need to add some PHP code. Let's come over here. Let's go to dashboard. Let's click over here. Now let's click on snippet and click on add new. First of all, let's name this. Let's name it checkout field edit. Now we'll add this bit of PHP code. Let me quickly explain what it's doing. In the billing fields, we are removing all these fields: billing company, country, phone, state, last name, address, address 1, city, postcode. And for shipping fields, we are removing everything because we don't have any shipping options for digital products. And then we are changing the label of the first name to name over here because we don't want multiple fields for the name, just one field as name. Scroll down and click on Save Changes and Activate. Let's come over here. Let's click on View. Now as you can see, we have just two fields, name and email, and the payment detail over here, and the payment options. But we need to fix some styling over here. Now one thing to remember over here, with this code actually affects the entire website. That means it affects the checkout, the global checkout. Now if you're selling both digital and physical product, this option may not be the best for you. But if you're selling just digital product or online courses, then this should be good enough. But if you want to sell physical product and digital products together and want to have a highly optimized checkout page for digital products only, then the best option would be to use the CartFlows Pro version. There you can easily create customizable checkout pages for individual products and have a different global checkout page for other products. If you want to see how to create highly optimized sales funnels and checkout pages with CartFlows using CartFlows, let me know in the comment section below. Now let's move on. We need to fix the styling over here. For that, let's go to Customize. Let's scroll down. Click on additional CSS. Let's scroll down. We don't need to worry about these CSS because this is from the previous tutorial. We need to add this bit of CSS over here. As you can see, it fixes all the styling issues. We have two fields over here, and then the order details and the payment option. Don't worry about the CSS and the PHP code. You can find all those from my website. I have the post link in the description below. Now let's click on Publish. Now let's come back to Flow. Let's close this. Let's close this as well. Now let's click on Edit once again. Now let's click on Edit. We need to fix the mobile and the tablet version. Let's click on Edit with Elementor. Now let's click over here. Let's click on tablet. First of all, let's select this column. Let's go to advanced. The responsive view, I don't want to show it in the tablet or in the mobile view. And let's click on this section and let's set the column width to 100%. Let's go to mobile. Come back to tablet again. Let's click on this and let's adjust the padding to 20 pixel. Now this looks good. Desktop and click on update. Let's come back over here, click on exit to dashboard. Now let's quickly check if our checkout process works or not. Before doing that, let's come over here. I need to make a couple of changes in the Woocommerce settings. Let's go to settings. First of all, I will change the currency to INR. because I can't make payment in US dollar through Stripe from India. Let's click on Save Changes, and account and privacy. I want to keep the fields to minimum, so I will generate username and password automatically. Save changes. Now let's go to flows. Click on flows. Let's click on view. Let's add the name over here. Let's click on credit card. You can make the credit card field inline to make it look even more optimized. To do that, let's go to setting again, WooCommerce settings. Let's go to payments. These are optional things. Stripe, and then enable inline credit card form. Let's go on save changes. Let's refresh this. Click on credit card. Now it looks much better. Let's test the payment. Let's click on place order. Our payment works perfectly, and here's a thank you page, and here is the product. Let's click on download. This is the product. This is my demo PDF. So this is how you can edit the checkout page of your WooCommerce website. But again, if you don't want to have all these hassles of adding custom code and CSS, you can use CartFlows Pro. There you can easily create this type of checkout pages and even more customized and optimized checkout pages. You can check out the CartFlows Pro from the link in the description below. It's an affiliate link. If you decide to buy through my link, I will get a small commission. This comes back to support the channel. So this is it for this video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to answer it. If you need help with your Elementor or WordPress project, feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to help you. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for your time. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.